Okay, so in today's review, we're just going to go back and talk about one of the more important concepts that we've discussed several times this year. So if you need this video to help you out to do this packet, not a problem, just feel free to use it. So again, the first thing we're just going to do is just write quick equations. And of course, our equations are y equals mx plus b. It's the equation of our line in slope-intercept form. So all we're doing, again, is reviewing and just replacing the slope m with the number 2 and the y-intercept b with the 5. So for example 1, I would rewrite this as y equals 2x excuse me, plus 5. So I'm just going to do a couple of these. You can do most of these on your own. So these are just simple substitution. Here's my m, here's my b, so this one would be y equals 2x plus 7. For number 2, it would be y equals negative 3x plus 10. Okay, so go ahead and do the rest of these on this page, and if you need to, go ahead and check your answers, and I'll go over a couple examples on the next page. Okay, so in this problem, we're going to write an equation of a line with a slope 3 that passes through the point negative 1, 6. So again, to write an equation of y equals mx plus b, you need two things. You need your m and you need your b. Well, in this case, they're giving us the m, which is 3. That is our slope. We need to find the b. What we're going to do is we're going to use this equation to write our equation here using this point and this slope. Okay, so I'm going to write y equals mx plus b. Now I'm going to substitute my m, which is 3. I'm going to use this as my x, and this is my y, and substitute those into my equation. So y is 6, so 6 equals m we got from our slope, so that's going to be our 3. X, again, we get from over here, that's our ordered pair, negative 1, so times negative 1 plus b. Okay, so now 6 equals 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 plus b. And then add 3 to both sides to get rid of that. Add 3. Therefore, I ran out of room here. 9 equals b. So I have the two things I need, which are my slope and my y-intercept. So y equals 3x plus 9. Okay, so take a look at number 9. Again, y equals mx plus b, so I'm going to replace my y with a 5 equals 2 times my negative 1 plus b. And again, here's my x and y. This is where I'm stealing x, y. So they're filling in the appropriate spots there. There's my y, there's my x. So go ahead and write 5 equals negative 2 plus b. Here I'm going to add 2, 7 equals b. I have a slope, I have a b. I can write my equation, y equals 2x plus 7. Okay, so go ahead and try these problems on this page, and check your answers again with the answer key. Moving on to the next page. Okay, so this time we have to find the slope and the y-intercept. So we need to find two items. So again, y equals mx plus b. They don't give us anything. But at this point in the year, we know how to find slope and we know how to find the y-intercept. So to find slope, m equals y minus y over x minus x. And where do I get that from? Well, here's xy, here's xy. So go ahead and steal your y's. So let's go ahead and do that. So negative 2 minus 8 over 3 minus negative 2. That's going to give me negative 10 over 5, which gives me a slope of negative 2. So I have one piece of the puzzle. I have my m. Now I need to find my b, so I'll just do exactly what I did on the last page. I'm just going to choose one ordered pair. I'll choose that one. So I have my m, and I'm going to choose that ordered pair. Okay, so y equals mx plus b. Y I'm stealing from right here, which is -2. So -2 equals, just calculated my m, which happens to also be -2, times x, steal from my ordered pair, which is 3, plus b, don't know what b is yet, I'm going to work on that, so -2 equals -6 plus b, add 6 to both sides, therefore 4 equals b. So I got my magic numbers, my m and my b. Write your equation. Y equals -2x plus 4. Okay, so you're just going to basically do the same thing with all the rest of these. Do y minus y over x minus x, then substitute into the equation. So again, try these as many as you can. And if you need more help, ask your teacher, or please feel free to check the answer guide. And finally, the last page, coming up with an equation from a graph, which again, you need two things. You need your slope and y-intercept. So I can immediately find the y-intercept, which is right here. That's where your line and the y-axis intersect, which is right there where I circled. So my b is 4. Now I just need to find my slope, so I need to find two perfect points. So here's a perfect point, and there's a perfect point. So I'm going to go down 3 over 1. So I know I went down 3, so going down's a negative connotation. So my slope here is -3 over 1, which is just -3. You can also tell the slope is negative because it is going down in a left to right direction. So that's going to give me a negative slope. So then my equation would be y equals -3x plus 4. So go ahead and try the last one on your own. I know that the lines don't show up too well, but just try your best, see how close you can come to the actual answers. Okay, good luck. Oh, also, you could have done this using 2 points. This point here is 0, 4. So that would be your 1, xy. And this would be 1, 1. So y minus y over x minus x. You could use again to find the slope. Okay, good luck and check your answers.